Making money online with ClickBank is a popular and lucrative opportunity for affiliate marketers and digital entrepreneurs. ClickBank is an affiliate marketing platform that connects product creators with affiliate marketers who promote their products in exchange for a commission on sales. Here's how you can make money online with ClickBank. Choose a niche. The first step is to choose a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and target audience. ClickBank offers a wide range of products across various niches, including health and fitness, self-help, business, and finance. Select a niche with high demand and profit potential. Join ClickBank. Sign up for a free account on ClickBank's website as an affiliate marketer. Once you're registered, you'll gain access to thousands of digital products available for promotion in the ClickBank marketplace. Select products to promote. Browse through the ClickBank marketplace to find products that resonate with your chosen niche. Consider factors such as product quality, commission rates, gravity, indicating popularity, and affiliate resources available. Choose products that you believe will appeal to your target audience and have the potential to convert well. Promote products. Once you've selected products to promote, create a strategic marketing plan to promote them effectively. Utilize various marketing channels such as websites, blogs, social media, email marketing, YouTube, and paid advertising to reach your target audience. Craft compelling content and promotional materials to engage your audience and drive conversions. Drive traffic. Generate targeted traffic to your affiliate links to increase the chances of earning commissions. Implement SEO strategies to improve the visibility of your content in search engines. Engage in content marketing to attract organic traffic, and leverage paid advertising campaigns to reach a broader audience. Build your audience. Focus on building a loyal audience and cultivating relationships with your followers. Provide valuable content, address their needs and pain points, and establish yourself as a trusted authority in your niche. Building rapport with your audience can lead to higher conversions and long-term success as an affiliate marketer. Track performance and optimize. Monitor the performance of your affiliate marketing campaigns using ClickBank's tracking tools and analytics. Track metrics such as clicks, conversions, and earnings to identify areas for improvement. Continuously optimize your campaigns by testing different strategies, tweaking your approach, and scaling what works. Diversify income streams. Explore additional ways to monetize your online presence and maximize your earning potential. Consider creating and selling your own digital products, offering coaching or consulting services, or partnering with other affiliate programs outside of ClickBank to diversify your income streams. By following these steps and implementing effective affiliate marketing strategies, you can make money online with ClickBank and create a sustainable source of passive income. With dedication, perseverance, and strategic planning, you can achieve success as a ClickBank affiliate marketer and build a profitable online business.